Okay, hello guys. I have another package came from Lazada Philippines, and this item is Alcatel Pixi 4 7-inch USB cable micro 0.25 meter. So it's basically USB to micro, and I bought this because I need this to my Osmo through mobile phone and the power bank. Now let's open this. So it came 2 days. A little twisted, but I think it's okay. It's only wire. Yeah, this is the packaging. Okay, let's go down. Wow. Yeah, very simple. And I will put the price there. Okay, so USB to micro. Very short, right? So I can use this with my Osmo to charge my mobile phone to my power bank as well. Okay, so let's try this one. If this cable is working. Now this is my power bank. Okay. Let's try this one. Yes, it's working. Yeah, the cable is working, guys. Okay, so yeah, I would recommend this to you guys. It's very short if you really need this. Like for me, I need this for my mobile to external power bank. And yeah, very cool. So that's it. Very simple. And thank you very much for watching my unboxing review. And I'll be seeing you next time.